At good news naman sa sports, bagong parangal ang hatid sa bansa ng 18 anyos na Pinoy jet ski racer matapos makamit ang kanyang ikalawang world title sa sinalihang kompetisyon sa Amerika. Kilalanin siya sa pagtutok ni Darlene Cai.
Lakas at bilis na sinamahan ng determinasyon. Yan ang naging puhunan ng 18 taong gulang na Pinoy jet ski racer na si Anton Ignacio. Para manguna sa 2024 International Jet Sports Boating Association o IJSBA World Finals na ginanap sa Lake Havasu City sa Arizona, USA. Champion sa Pro-Am Runabout 1100 stock event si Anton matapos magtala ng 173 points kung saan tinalo niya ang mga pambato ng iba't ibang bansa gaya ng Germany at Thailand. Historic din ang panalong ito ni Anton dahil bukod sa siya ang pinakabatang Pinoy jet ski racer at ikalawang world title niya ito sa magkasunod na taon.
It's a feeling that will forever stick with me because more than the win, I feel like I made a lot of people proud back home. I know that I've been working hard for that. That was really a good moment for me.
Git-gitan anyang naging kompetisyon ngayon kaya hindi raw niya inaasahan na mananalo siya.
This year was way harder because there's this one person I'm against. He's a 4 or 5-time world champion already. And everybody there is a world champion already.
When he crossed the line, napaluhod na lang ako. I have our flag with me. So I was just waving our flag. And syempre I was crying dahil nakita ko kung gaano yung hirap, yung determination ni Anton.
The feeling this year, it's still a total surprise because it's a different division. I was in fact hesitant for him to join because I said, why? Parang baka hindi pa niya kaya. So, nung nanalo siya, parang nakatingin sila lahat sa akin. Of course, I was so happy. In fact, I was crying and it's the best feeling.
Magpapahinga lang daw saglit si Anton bago magbalik training para sa kompetisyon naman sa Disyembre.
All of this was worth it. All the hard work and sacrifices.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Darlene Cai, nakatutok 24 oras.